be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
And cobweb I have ever had on our patio. It was just disgusting. It was all over my string lights and everything. It was so hard to get off, but I managed to get it to look reasonably good, so I'm happy for that. So we're just going to go ahead and take all of the furniture off the patio so we can give this patio a good scrub down. It really needs it. It really needs it. And if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Lateisha, and on this channel we do everything home when it comes to homemaking, cooking, decorating, doing some yard work as well as gardening. Well, when it comes to gardening, I'm a wannabe garden girl. I'm trying to be a garden girl, but your girl don't like bugs. So, we're working on that. Okay, and right here shows you that it's a challenge for me. Coming up in a few seconds, you're going to see that there was a spider about the size of the palm of my hand challenging me. Yes, challenging me. He won. He won. I went inside and said, hubby, you know what? You got somebody out there waiting on you, and you're going to need to show him that this is our house and he don't live here.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
you want to appreciate where you are, because there's so much people in the world that have so much less and have things so much harder than you. And trust me, when you appreciate the things that you have, God will always multiply it. He will always give you more. But first you have to appreciate where you are and what you have. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take care of what we have until it increases, and it will increase. Okay? It will increase. So we're going to give this rug a scrub down. I wanted to purchase a new rug because I have like a vision in mind of how I want this area to look. But for right now, we're just going to give it a good scrub down until I can find the exact rug that I want. Until then, this will definitely do. So I'm just using a mix of dish liquid and vinegar in some water. I just put that on it and then just rubbed it in, and then added my baking soda. I added my baking soda on top, and I just let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes just so it can soak in to like lift up some of that dirt. And then I came back and gave it a good scrub down with my broom and then washed it off, and it looks pretty decent. It came back to life pretty well. So that's basically all I'm going to be doing for this rug, although I really want it. Just give the patio a good bathing, a good wash down. And if you have not subscribed as yet, what are you waiting on? I know that you will like it here because, you know, I'm just a very likable person 90% of the time. 90% of the time. But if you have not subscribed as yet, please do consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell as well so you're always notified when I upload a new video. Come on guys, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. It's been a long time coming. Let's do this. Let's